Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a quick video. So we use these Prusik on a 1/4" lineman belt. You know, they don't make ROPEMANs for these smaller ropes, and these ropes are really strong. They have 6,000 pound strength. In many cases we're carrying too heavy of rope, and you can one-hand it to adjust it to make it bigger, but you really can't without two hands. But a really simple way to do it is just take some rope, even some paratrooper cord. I use just some more 1/4" Amsteel, and I just put a couple slip knots on it. And you take your lineman rope, take it through that hoop, and you're tying it to the same loop on your saddle as your carabiner. And you could use a carabiner, but you don't want a carabiner banging up against your other carabiner. So a little bit of rope will be quiet, lightweight, and all of a sudden you have a one-handed adjustment. It's that simple. I hope that helps you guys. Good luck out there, and I hope you shoot a deer that you're proud of.